In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your SEO Google Search Console report in Looker Studio. This tutorial will guide you through each essential step, ensuring that you can confidently build a comprehensive and insightful report. First, let's start by signing in to Looker Studio. Head over to lookerstudio.google.com and log in using your Google account credentials. This will be your workspace for visualizing and analyzing your data. Once logged in, it's time to establish a new data source. Locate the Create button at the top left corner of the interface and select Data Source from the drop-down menu. You'll be presented with a list of connectors. Here, you'll want to select Search Console. If you see a prompt asking for authorization, simply click Authorize to grant Looker Studio the necessary access to your Google Search Console data. Next, decide if you want to analyze data from a site-wide perspective or focus on page-level details, and select the respective site impression or URL impression table. Determine the search type that best suits your needs, whether it's web, image, or video, and then click Connect in the upper right corner to solidify your data source. With your data source configured, let's move on to building your SEO report. Begin by creating a new report. Again, use the Create option, but this time select Report. Within the Add Data to Report panel, you'll need to choose the Google Search Console data source you just set up, and then click Add to Report. This links your data to your report canvas, allowing you to start shaping the visual narrative of your SEO story. Now it's time to enrich your report with meaningful components. Consider adding scorecards to display key metrics such as impressions, clicks, click-through rate, CTR, and average position. These will give you at-a-glance insights into your performance. For a deeper dive into trends over time, incorporate time series charts. To present detailed data with sorting and filtering capabilities, introduce tables. And for comparing data across different dimensions, you might find pie or bar charts to be particularly effective. As you configure your report, pay attention to the dimensions and metrics. For dimensions, you might want to include query, landing page, country, and device. Corresponding metrics could encompass impressions, clicks, CTR, and average position, providing a well-rounded view of your SEO performance. Don't forget to add filters and controls to make your report dynamic and interactive. Implement a date range control so users can select the time period they wish to analyze. Filter controls are also invaluable, allowing segmentation by dimensions like device category, country, or query. These features offer flexibility and empower users to tailor the data to their specific interests. With these steps, your Google Search Console SEO report will not only be informative but also engaging, offering a powerful tool for analysis and strategic decision-making in Looker Studio.